Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the function f is defined by f of x is equal to 1/10 x minus 2. And we're asked, what is the y-intercept of the graph of y is equal to f of x in the xy plane? So let's take the actual equation of y equals f of x, plugging in y where we see f of x, to give us y is equal to 1/10 x minus 2. And this is the equation that you would graph in the actual xy plane, but we don't have to do that because we know that the y-intercept is the value of y when x is 0. So all we have to do is plug in 0 to this equation and we'll get our corresponding value of y, which represents the intercept. So we have y is equal to 1/10, and plug in 0 for x, minus 2. 1/10 of 0 is just 0 minus 2, and 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Therefore, the value of y when x is 0, the y-intercept, is negative 2. Is that this one or this one? Right? Because these have different numbers, but where's the negative 2 supposed to go? Well, it's the y value. So x is 0, y is negative 2, and therefore b is your final answer.